Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning how to solve linear equation when we have numbers in the denominator. To solve such questions, what we will do is we'll try to get rid of the denominator. So to do that, we'll find the LCM of the denominator. In the denominator, I have the numbers 3 and 2, and LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we'll multiply both sides of the equation by LCM 6. So we'll multiply each term by 6. So multiply the first term by 6, multiply second term. On the right hand side also multiply both the terms by 6. So when we simplify, 6x divided by 3 will give me 2x plus 6x divided by 2 gives me 3x. On the right side, 6 times x will be 6x and 7 times 6 will give me 42. Simplifying the left hand side, 3x plus 2x is 5x. On the right, we have 6x minus 42. Now, I'll bring the 5x, which is a smaller variable term, to the right. So we will shift 5x to the right and we'll move minus 42 to the left. So I move minus 42 to the left, so it will become positive 42. 6x is as it is. When you shift 5x to the right, it will become negative 5x. So 42 equal to x, so x equal to 42. Moving on to the next question. Okay, so here we see that we have some brackets on each side. So first step is to expand the bracket. Now 5 and will be as it is. Minus 2 is before the bracket, so you need to multiply the bracket with negative 2. So negative 2 times x will give you negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1 will give me positive 2. Right hand side multiply the bracket with 4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times x will give me 4x. This negative 2x will be as it is. Now simplify the like terms on each side. So 5 plus 2 will give me 7 minus 2x equals 12 will be same. Negative 4, negative 2 will give me negative 6x. Now I have variable on both sides, so to solve the equation what we'll do is we'll try to bring the x terms together. Now to do that, it's always preferred to shift the smaller variable term. So negative 2 and negative 6 is small, so I'll shift negative 6 to the left. Since x terms are coming to the left, I'll move 7 to the right. So minus 2x will stay the same. Negative 6 comes to the left, it will become positive 6x equals 12 is as it is. You shift positive 7 to the right, it will become negative 7. Now 6x minus 2x will give me 4x equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. Now to cancel 4, you will divide both sides by 4. Okay, so you'll get here x equal to 5 by 4. You can write the answer as a mixed number 1 by 4, or you can write as a decimal 1.25. Okay, moving on to the next one. Now, in this question, we have on the left hand side only one fraction, on the right hand side also on one fraction. We say the question is in the form of a proportion, okay, which is a by b equal to c by d. And the property of proportion is the cross products are equal, so I can take the cross product ad equal to bc. So we can do the same thing here. First step, in the numerator you have binomial, so use bracket. So 3 will multiply with this bracket and 5 will multiply with 2. So 5 times 2x is 3 times the bracket 3x plus 1. Expand the bracket. 5 times 2 will give me 10x. On the right hand side, when you expand, 3 times 3, 9x, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now you need to bring the x terms together. So shift 9x to the left. So we get 10x minus 9x equal to 3. So 10 minus 9, 1x. We can simply write it x. So you get your final answer, x equals 3. Okay. Now, the last question, if you see, we have numbers in the denominator. So the first step will be to find the LCM of the denominators. We have numbers 8, 3, and 24. I need to find the LCM of these three numbers. So we'll write the multiples of the biggest number of the three. So 24 one times is 24. 3 24 is a multiple of 3. Also 24 is a multiple of 8. So the LCM of 8, 3 and 24 is 24. So we will multiply both sides of the equation by LCM 24. Multiply both sides by 24. So wherever you have binomial, you use bracket. Now multiply each term by 24. So I'll have here 24 times the first bracket, 24 times the second bracket, and 24 multiply to the right side as well. Now 24 divided by 8 will give me 3 bracket 2x plus 1. 24 divided by 3 gives me 8 bracket x minus 1. On the right side 24 will cancel out. I'm left with 5. Expand the bracket, so multiply both the terms by 3. So 3 times 2x will give me 6x. 3 times 1 will give me plus 3. Negative 8 times x will give me minus 8x. Negative 8 times negative 1 will give me plus 8. Right side we have 5. Combine the like terms. 6x minus 8x will give me minus 2x, and 8 plus 3 is plus 11 equal to 5. Now to solve the equation, I can shift minus 2x to the right and bring 5 to the left. So I'll move minus 2x to the right. Same step, I'll bring 5 to the left. So I'll get here 11. 5, when you move it to the left, it will become minus 5. Minus 2x, move it to the right, it will become plus 2x. 11 minus 5 is 6, equal to 2x. To cancel the 2, divide both sides by 2. So you will get x equals to 3. So whenever we have numbers in the denominator, the best option is to multiply throughout by the LCM of denominator. The denominator gets cancelled, so it becomes a simple equation. You just expand, combine the like terms and solve the equation. Okay, that's it for this session. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.